Determine the types of properties you are interested in, your budget, desired location, target rental income, and expected return on investment, ROI. Research the market. Investigate the local real estate market where you plan to invest. Look for factors such as population growth, job opportunities, infrastructure development, and overall economic health, as these can impact property values and rental demand. Property identification. Identify potential investment properties that meet your criteria. Use online real estate portals, work with a real estate agent, and explore local classifieds to find suitable options. Comparable market analysis, CMA. Perform a CMA to understand the property's fair market value. Compare the property with similar ones in the area that have recently sold or are currently on the market. Adjust for differences in size, condition, amenities, and location. Financial analysis. Evaluate the property's financials to determine its potential as an investment.